What's going on, folks? So I got kind of a cool video here. It's actually not one of my videos. It's a video from a really good friend of mine, Dennis Shaw. For anybody that knows, he's a racer from back in the day. Really nice guy, and he's been restoring Odysseys for many years now. He's been working on a special project.
This is a 1978 Honda Odyssey FL250, all stock. The only thing different is the color choice. 150 PSI on the engine, lots of new parts, practically a brand new car. And let's see how it pull starts. Scott, are you ready to ride it? One pull and it starts. Go ahead, hop in, give it a ride. We're opting for the no helmet, no seat belts. Life is short. But he does do the wrist restraints.
Now, if you're interested in this machine, it's going up for auction on Wednesday. I believe it's the 24th. Today's the 22nd, and it's a Monday, 23rd, 24th. Yeah, so it should be Wednesday the 24th. The link or the details for the auction in the description below, so you guys can check that out. It's an FL250. It's been restored to basically brand new condition. Extremely rare set of fenders on it. Only a few sets of these types of fenders actually exist. They're original fenders. It's got 150 pounds of compression, and I think you guys are gonna dig the color scheme. It's a little unconventional, but I think it looks really cool. So anyways, big shout out to Dennis. Awesome job on the rebuild, and I hope to see more builds like this in the near future. With that, again, if you guys are interested, go check it out. Auction starts Wednesday, I think around 11 a.m. So with that, we're going to do the walk around, or Dennis is going to do the walk around, and hope you guys enjoy it. Please do leave a comment. Let us know what you guys think about the color and the restoration, and give it a thumbs up. You know, let's help Dennis out by trying to get him some exposure and some attention so he gets a good price for his efforts. Anyways, with that, take care, guys, and stay safe. Dennis Shaw here. Dennis, give us a wave.